We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button to everyone who watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So in yesterday's video, we talked about how Prog was in a very pivotal moment, guys. Based off the charts, based off of 42 vision, we're going to break it down and we're going to look at how it's holding up with strength and what this means moving forward and what the 4 hour is showing as well, because these two were aligning together for an explosive opportunity and we could see it in the charts, but it did not last that long. So we're going to talk about what's going on and what to expect moving forward. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us, every single morning we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with Prog and everything going on with the data. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, ISIG and LGVN. Now, we've hit home runs with these before, and today they were setting up as an opportunity. So LGVN missed home run territory by 2%. We caught this one in the pre-market under a bull indicator on Ultimate 42 Vision, had strength on 42 Vision, consolidated, and gave a highest point of 18% plus. Now, we caught ISIG in the pre-market as well under a bull indicator on Ultimate 42 Vision, full strength on 42 Vision, consolidated towards the bell, and took off for about a 30 to 40% move from when I mentioned it after the bell in just a few minutes. Consolidated, had a few jumps, but the highest point of the day since we mentioned it in the pre-market to the highest peak was 50% plus, guys. If you want to get on early with us, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. And let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Prog, and Prog had an explosive reversal here, right? From the $2 range, it created a support, broke upwards in the pre-market, hit highs of 205, came back down and took off to a high here of 222, nearly a 10% move. And we talked about it yesterday. I stated 42 Vision is setting up for a possible reversal of strength, and we see it every single time. Some are weaker than others, some are stronger than others, right? You could see it here as it consolidated and jumped up this way, and you can also see it here when it jumped up from way down here at $2.15 all the way up to $3. So some of them are 10%, 20% moves, some of them are just 5 to 10% moves, and that's what happened today. But it was pretty strong, and it lasted just about 30 minutes to an hour. That was pretty phenomenal. And when we go over and we put here Ultimate Vision, you could see that bull indicator popping up. We were looking for that on Ultimate Vision. And by the way, I get asked all the time in the videos what it is and how to get this set up. You can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator. You'll gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and the premium indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets, no matter what's going on, to maximize on opportunities through the charts, guys. Now, as you could see, that bull indicator popped up, quickly went upwards, and pulled back down, and it got a bear indicator. So this got negated by this right here. So we need this to negate and another bull indicator to pop up within the volatility for this to go higher and break through resistance levels that were formed up here. And you could see the rejection happening right at the point where the last bear indicator happened to be. And that lets you know that this is a key level that the bulls need to break through. 222, get back up here towards 230, and then the rest of the chart as we can retrace and look at. But right now, this is the main focus moving forward. But it is holding up with strength, and we're going to look at the data together on what's going on as we see it above $2. Like, it's touched $2, it bounces away from it. If it can hold up this support and not get below it, that will be true strength from the bulls within all this volatility, and then bounce up to newer highs and new resistance levels and possibly form another short squeeze like it has before at these levels when it took off from around way down here all the way up to here, consolidated, and went up to the new all-time highs that we saw in the recent weeks and months. Now, it's not the 52-week high, but the new all-time high that we had not seen in months as this short squeeze was forming. Now, it has been in a downward trend, but within the downward trend, it has been filled with plenty of opportunities to maximize on 10 to 20% trades and 20 to 50% plus. Now, if we put the 4-hour though, you could see here, right? This is a key level to be watching, that this bear indicator popped up after this consolidation, which we were watching carefully, and it's been going downwards back and forth. Like, we wanted to see this eventually reverse after this third one, and it tried doing it and quickly got rejected and turned back around, guys. You could see it go back to white with red borders, and every single time we've seen 2 or 3 back to back, we have seen jumps, but they last for a very short period of time, guys. And that is something we were watching to hopefully break that consolidation and that behavior and reverse with strength, get a bull indicator somewhere along these lines down here, and negate this bear indicator and start the momentum upwards. Now, if we look at the 1 day though, you will see that things are still showing weakness, and we'll look at that right now. So as I pull up the 1 day, you could see that it's been under a bear indicator since way up here in the $4 range. It consolidated and it's been going back to back weakness. I mean, 4 dark red back to back, back to back. That vibrancy of red, the next part of it, if it continues the downward trend, will be white with red borders. And if we get white with red borders on the 1 day, and we get white with red borders back to back on the 4-hour, and we get white with red borders on the 30-minute back to back like it did here, all 3 of them, that is going to be a setup to possibly trap shorts. And we're going to look at the data together why shorts could get trapped. Now, the short interest float, some of it has been covered. It's at 14%. It went down from 17%, but the short volume ratio per day went up a little bit, right? It was at 43, 39, and went up to 47. Okay, it's been in the 40s and 50s, went down to 39, and went to 47 today. Now, the borrow fee rate is 26.35, and you could see here the short shares availability is 700,000. This number keeps going up and down, and that has to do with the days to cover being so low. Now, this days to cover was higher, now it's lower. This just confirms how much more flexibility the shorts have, and they covered here, right, as it went up, and then they reshorted on the way down, and now they're slightly covering again. So the bulls need to hold this up and continue to fight to not break through $2 and break through the resistance levels that have been formed, and specifically right now 220, 222, give or take, to reach newer highs and new resistance levels and build a staircase effect from there, as well as trap shorts on the way up and force them to cover, guys. This days to cover, the lower it goes, the more flexibility they're going to have, and we're seeing it in the numbers here in the short shares availability. Yesterday it was 550,000, now it's 700,000. That number keeps on fluctuating, and if we see that number go down from today to tomorrow and the stock keeps going lower and it does break through $2, that goes to show us that these investors that are shorts and bears are putting pressure, and flexibility is their best friend, allowing them to reshort and also cover at the same time. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. If you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys find value in everything that I share and update every single day. If it's your first time coming across the channel, thank you as well. And if you're a frequent viewer, I want you guys to be aware, new or frequent, that you have more to obtain than just these YouTube videos. I offer more than just these YouTube videos, and as you can see on the screen, these are the home runs of the day today. And if you look closely at the charts, you could see the strength and weaknesses within the chart with 42 vision. going from red to green and from green to red when there's weakness and strength, and also the placements of these bull and bear indicators, which is the new upgrade that just got released. Every single investor is loving it and maximizing on opportunities with the clarity that it brings through the volatility. And you can receive this now as well. The 42 vision indicator link is down below in the description. And by joining the 42 vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, home runs that I strive for every single day, the weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity and confidence you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets, guys. And these work live in action within the charts, within the volatility, to bring clarity, simplify, and enhance the charting experience, no matter what experience you have in trading and in charting, guys. Check out the link down below if you haven't already to see everything there is to offer. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.